Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to solve the issue that is the source punk type not found. Please use the NLTK downloader to obtain the resources. So what we have to do, we have to open the first of all the Python shell. So what we have to do, this Python 3, this will open, and what we have to do, we have to just write import NLTK. Okay, paste it. After this, anything you hear from you can download. Okay, otherwise you can open the shell also, like this. You can list the available analytic data that is running. Okay, so just paste it over here, and then it will open your shell, this one. And here you can see you can install any of them and then download, and this error will remove that one. Okay, and otherwise you will go with, you have to download this that, but if it is not defined, so make sure from the UI you can download, and it will remove your error. Okay, and if I run this project, control Z, and then I run this project now, so the previous error that I'm facing is not there. There's another error, but the last error which I'm getting in this one, by running this, okay, now it's not coming. Okay, so this is how you can fix this issue. Any doubt, any query you are getting in, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.